It's really hot in here.
Let him out, Sydney.
Let him out.
I can't get out. Oh, thank you. Something was on top of this. It was really heavy. I don't know
I
what.
don't know what it was. What could it be?
What was on top of it, Cindy? I'm right here. You were right there the whole time. You sure you were on top? Hide again. Hide again. Hide. Oh.
You don't want that nose, buddy.
Sydney's birthday gift to Gavin. A bloody nose.
Is here. Huh? Oh no, I'm trapped.
Get off.
I'm trapped. Sydney, help. Sydney, help me. Help, Sydney.
Get off.
Get out. Sydney. Where are you? Help me. Oh, there you are. It took you a while. Took you a while. Whoa. Vroom, 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 vroom. You want to get in?